It has most certainly not been an easy time for Dortmund's players this week. A time when 90 minutes of football is not the first thing on your mind. He is the most important thought they have right now. Marc Bartra, colleague, friend. The players on the pitch, we're with him on the bus, they're with him here.
We hope that he's coming back very fast, because we miss him.
25,000 in that magnificent stand are united with their players celebrating Marc Bartra. What a fitting moment here. And the supporters chanting, "We will always stick together."
The moment gave me goosebumps. It brought it all back. It was important to dedicate the win to Marc and to thank our fans for the support they've given us over the last two games.
It shows that our spectators are very, very special in these specific moments, and this is a part which is very, very important for us right now.
What a very special moment. I wonder what Marc Bartra will be thinking watching this one.